of maze game. And now I will run the board. This is another screenplay, and now I will play the game with the move up, page down arrow. I move here, so you reach the goal and you win. Just simple game board, and now I will explain the goal. The think a library and a random library TK and size is equal to 8. This is a variable grid size is equal to 8. Is equal to 50 tabs are present. Tabs is equal to 80. Tabs is, traps is equal to 10. 10 of sections are present. Class there is a class maze game. There is a class start and there is a variable and title are given. There is a canvas are created and pack player 0 0 player at the position 0 row 0 column. Goal size minus size 1. Goal is the last column and last row. Trap sets. Tra- there is a set is created. What is the rule of set? Set is where our unique value are stored. There is a while loop are used and set trap is equal to less traps are given 10 if R and there is a two variable R and C row and column are defined and row and column player size not equal to player goal and RC draw grid root bind key slash move draw grid. What is a draw grid? Draw grid is a function to define a grid. First canvas is created for all and that's C. There is a cell and define and a color is blue, green, red are defined for a trap, goal and player and light gray move. How to move the upper and right arrow with there is a key event is used key same event up with up and down with down and left with left and right with light. Draw grid Draw grid function is used to draw the grid and RC self trap self game over. You step on track game over. RC self road goal. You reach the goal, you win. This is the end of code and game over. This is for play test and this is a thinker library is initialized and main game root and main loop is end. Now again I play the run the code and play the game. This is a main save game. I click on there and I move. There is a one way to win the game. There is another way to win the game. Suppose, oh, there is a trap and I lose the game. Game is over. Again, play the game. Oh, I lose the game. I again. Be careful this time. I win. So this is all about.